Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 3, Python Programming. Python is a widely used and versatile programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries that make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from web development to scientific computing to data analysis and more. Here's an overview of Python programming. Syntax and basic concepts. Python has a concise and readable syntax, with code blocks defined by indentation rather than braces. It supports dynamic typing, which means that variable types are determined automatically based on the assigned values. Python also has built-in support for various data types, including strings, numbers, integers, floats, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Control flow. Python supports common control flow statements such as if-else statements for conditional branching, for and while loops for iteration, and try-except blocks for exception handling. It also has powerful features like list comprehensions, which allow concise creation of lists based on conditional statements. Functions and modules. Python allows the definition of functions, which are reusable blocks of code that can be called with different arguments. Functions can have optional parameters, return values, and can be organized into modules, which are files containing Python code that can be imported into other Python scripts for reuse. Python has a large standard library with modules for various tasks, such as file I/O, regular expressions, networking, databases, and more. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications. Its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries make it a popular choice among programmers for various tasks, from simple scripts to complex applications. With its large community and active development. Overview of Python and its applications. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and dynamically typed programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It has a large and active community of developers, extensive libraries, and a wide range of applications. Here's an overview of Python and its applications. 1. Web development. Python is widely used for web development, with popular frameworks such as Flask and Django that simplify the development of web applications. Python's ease of use, extensive libraries, and support for integration with other technologies make it a popular choice for building web applications, APIs, and server-side scripting. 2. Data analysis and data science. Python is widely used for data analysis and data science tasks, with libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn that provide powerful tools for data manipulation, analysis, and machine learning. Python's ease of use, extensive libraries, and strong community support make it a preferred choice for data scientists and analysts. 3. Scientific computing. Python is widely used in scientific computing and computational research, with libraries such as SciPy, Matplotlib, and NumPy that provide tools for numerical computing, plotting, and visualization. Python is used in various scientific domains, including physics, biology, astronomy, and engineering, for simulations, data analysis, and modeling. 4. Automation and scripting. Python's ease of use and extensive libraries make it a popular choice for automation and scripting tasks. Python can be used to automate repetitive tasks, perform system administration, manipulate files, and interact with APIs, among other tasks. Python's scripting capabilities make it a powerful tool for automating workflows and streamlining processes. Python's versatility and extensive libraries make it a preferred choice for a wide range of applications in various domains. Its simplicity, readability, and strong community support make it a popular language among developers for rapid prototyping, development, and automation tasks. Python continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of the software development community, making it a powerful and widely used programming language. Data types and data structures in Python. In Python, data types and data structures are used to store and manipulate data. Data types are the basic building blocks of data, and data structures are collections of data organized in a particular way. Here are some commonly used data types and data structures in Python. Numeric data types. Int represents integer numbers. Float represents floating point numbers with decimal values. Complex represents complex numbers with real and imaginary parts. String data type. str represents sequences of characters such as text. Boolean data type represents Boolean values, true or false, used for logical operations. List represents a mutable, ordered collection of elements. Elements can be of different data types and can be accessed using indices. Tuple represents an immutable, ordered collection of elements. Elements can be of different data types and can be accessed using indices. Set represents an unordered collection of unique elements. Duplicates are not allowed. Dictionary represents a mutable, unordered collection of key-value pairs. Elements are accessed using keys, which must be unique. Arrays represents homogeneous collections of data elements of the same type. Arrays are used for efficient storage and manipulation of large amounts of data. None represents a special object that indicates the absence of a value. It is often used to represent empty or uninitialized variables.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.